Welcome back to Mac and PC Prime Video. Today I'm going to show you, this is my 11-year-old computer. It runs Windows 10. I checked the hardware compatibility with Windows 11. As you can see, it has unsupported hardware. I finished updating it to Windows 11 without losing any data, without losing any apps, no secure boot, no TPM 2.0, 8 GB RAM. And here is how I updated from Windows 10 to Windows 11. You download the latest Windows 11 installer from Microsoft's homepage. Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO. Select the product language, English. Download Windows 11 English to save you the wait. I downloaded this file not long ago. Of course, I can't update with this default file. I customized it with a tool called Rufus, a very popular bootable installer tool. A USB drive is a must. This is the USB drive I use in case this. Double-click on the file called Rufus. Rufus automatically detects your USB drive. Browse for the Windows 11 disk image downloaded in the previous step. Rufus automatically detects and sets up the basic parameters. Start some options to customize the Windows 11 installer. The top option is the most important in this case. It allows me to update the operating system on this computer. I only selected the top option and ignored all the other options. You wait about 20 minutes for the customized Windows 11 installer to complete. Done. I use it to update the operating system USB drive. Browse the files and folders on the USB drive. This is the executable file. You just double-click on the executable file. Change mode setup. Downloads, updates. Not right now. A warning about unsupported hardware. You just select Accept to continue. Install Windows 11. Wait about 20 to 30 minutes to complete the operating system. Update. Installing Windows 11. The above are the steps to update from Windows 10 to Windows 11 on a computer with unsupported hardware. My computer has been successfully updated to the latest Windows 11 operating system. No data loss, no application loss. Hopefully this video helped you. If it did, please drop a like on this video. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and please make sure to subscribe.